Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market weekly update for the week of May 4, 2020. On the left side here is the jack of SPY, and the right side here is the jack of E-mini SP 500 future. But you can see that on Friday the market it broke the upper support trend line. Now they pull back down. So you can see that in the next couple of days the market will gain more pressure in the downside because right now they still ran by between the two moving average here. So the key level we need to watch here is the bottom here. Because right now the market will go back, come back down, come back up. So they have not made a low yet. So the market it can be ran by for a while, and if they break this level, and then we start consider that the market will go lower. At this moment, we are not sure that the market will stop here and make it one more high, or they will continue to test this level here, and then we can see some bouncing back up and then drop back down. So it depends on the condition of the market outside. We'll be able to test to see that we'll be able to get away from coronavirus. Otherwise, the market will be ranging up and down here. On the E-mini SP 500 future, when the market is open up today, so the market gap down, so they get some pressure on the way down. So they already break down since Friday, and today they gap down more. So the market is technically in the correction. So right now, same thing. To watch for this level, you see the market it will be hold up at this level and bow back up, and then come back down to go lower, or we will bow back and get it another high before we can come back down. So that's why we're here every week, every day. We will update for you so that you know where the market is heading to. In the short term, if you can see that for the year, right now we go down to this level. So if we hold up at this level, and then we can get some rebound, and then we resume back to finish another move in the downside. So technically, the market is in the downside right now. So anything that go long, we have to be careful, especially for day trader. So and look at for the YM, it's the same thing. YM it have a strong support in this level, and then the Nasdaq it still continue to go lower. They have a support here and also this level here, and the Russell 2000 it's the one that they tried to catch up last week. They were able to put up almost like 2.2% for the week, while the other index, it's going down. So that's very impressive. It means that when the people put money into the small cap up, and mean that they try to the market it have a chance to put it back up higher. So right now, if you look at the overall market for the VIX, that the volatility index, last week when they hit to the support area here, and then they bouncing back up, they break a down trend line here. So that's why they gain some momentum. So when the wicket put it back up, they call the market to get in more fear, and then the market is coming down. So right now, this week, if you look at overall the market, a lot of sector like airline, um, cruise ship, and hotel, they do very weak sector. They still continue to test the low, and on the technology sector, they also pulled back up. Also, they also pulled back down. So that's why you have to be watch out for a little bit. But the strong sector like the bio or gold mining, silver mining, they still doing very well. So that those sector that the sector that you should watch, and more likely the market is going down in the next couple of days. So you have to watch out if you try to go long in the short term. So this is what we have for you for this week. And if you like what we are doing, please click the subscribe button below, and then we will update every day, every week. And then when we update, we will let you know so that you can see where the market heading to. And if you want to learn more about our strategy, our technique, how to read the chart, how to use the right tool, so that you can analyze your own financial market. You can control your 401k. Let's see, you can check out our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and we will see you during the week.